Power rationing and forced cuts to factory production in China are widening amidst electricity supply. Dennis, can you explain the causes and how is it played differently while comparing with the past?
Every year, China faces power shortage during summer and winter due to the extreme weather. The Chinese government normally introduces power cuts to the industrial sector to prevent failure of the grid. In 2021, the power cuts spread across the country, and the official reasons were a surge in electricity consumption, China tightening coal supplies, and local government's pressure to meet energy consumption target before the year end. I believe the second and third reasons play important roles for this year. Dated back in September 2020, China had committed to reach a carbon dioxide emission peak before 2030 and achieve carbon neutrality before 2060 at the UN General Assembly. Since then, the Chinese government has been very strict on every measure and implementation regarding energy use. Moreover, I believe China wants to present itself in a positive light during the upcoming UN Climate Change Conference in November. As this is the first year after China has commitment to its emission target, it wants to show to the world that it has been able to achieve its goal.
What are the measures of power rationing?
There are two main parameters that help to track if the energy consumption targets are met. They are the total watt consumed and CO2 emission per GDP output. The provincial government, for example, Anhui, Guangdong, Jiangsu, Shandong, have all been striving to meet the target and tried to limit the factory operations to avoid crossing the line. Factories can only work 3 days a week or run the factory at 70% utilization rate. In addition, for the past year, the government forced a lot of illegal or unqualified coal mining sites to shut down, which significantly reduced the coal supplies. As a result, coal price surged from 400 RMB per ton to 800 RMB per ton. Something worth noting is that the electricity price in China is under government regulation and price is fixed. Many coal-fired plants were facing financial loss when the coal price is at 800 RMB. Hence, all the SOE coal-fired plants only produce electricity at a minimum level, which creates further electricity shortage.
Are there any opportunities for investors?
To solve the electricity shortage issue, the government could accelerate the use of renewable energy, allow electricity price to be market-driven, or allow private capital to invest in utility business. We expect one of our holdings, LONGi Green Energy, which produce solar wafer and solar modules, to be significantly beneficial for the long term.
That's it for today. Thank you for watching and hope to see you again in the next episode.